Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing peanut Guinness punch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have one large bowl and I also have my raw peanut. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my peanut in some cold water before I go ahead and blend. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local farmers market, and of course, you will get raw peanut there as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wash this peanut 2 times, and then I'm just gonna strain off that water, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend. Now I'm gonna add Guinness to this, but if you guys don't have Guinness, you can always go ahead and use Dragon Stout. So now that my peanut is all washed, I'm gonna go ahead and open my Guinness, and I'm using 2 Guinness today, and I'm also using 1 Supplegen, and I'm using the vanilla flavor. Remember that they do have other flavors on the market. You can always go ahead and check that out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna use my scissors to just cut the side of the Supplegen, then I'm gonna pour it out in my blender. Remember, you can always go ahead and add some water to this. And once I pour out my Supplegen, then I'm gonna go in and add my Guinness. Again, if you don't have Guinness, you can always go ahead and use Dragon Stout, all right? Remember to always tilt the blender to the side so that the Guinness doesn't foam up a lot. Now I'm gonna go in and add my raw peanut. Now I know some persons might say that they are unable to get the raw peanut. No, they do have the salted peanut, but you have to wash it off at least 3 times to remove that excess salt off it, all right? Or if you don't want to use peanut, you can always go ahead and use raw cashew. Then I'm going to add my cinnamon powder. And of course, I'm going to add my nutmeg and my vanilla flavoring. Add a little bit of salt to this. And once I add all of that goodness, I will go ahead and blend. You want to blend for a couple seconds or until it is smooth, all right? Remember to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this sponge. Let me know if you have ever tried it before and also what you think. Once it's finished blending, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like once it's finished blending, all smooth and nice. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it out in a container, and I will go ahead and sweeten, and I'm gonna use condensed milk to sweeten, but if you guys want, you can always go ahead and add some honey to this, all right? So you can always go ahead and prepare this on a Sunday afternoon, on a Saturday afternoon, whichever day you want. If you are coming home from work, you don't want anything heavy on your stomach, you can always go ahead and prepare this amazing peanut Guinness punch. And always remember that you want to taste, just in case you might want to add a little bit more of the condensed milk or honey. And also, you guys don't have to sweeten. So if you don't want to sweeten, it's okay. But if you want to sweeten, you can always go ahead and use condensed milk or honey. So in a few minutes, I'll come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing punch. Stay tuned. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing peanut Guinness punch. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to always serve it up ice cold. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. And see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.